CBS 13 has learned the California EPA is about to take a closer look at a toxic chemical that is probably already in your body.
Today, the agency announced new guidelines on what are known as PFCs. But as you're about to see, a lot of damage has already been done.
When disaster strikes on a runway, fire-suppressing foam can be a lifesaver. But for decades, there was a hidden danger in the foam itself.
Turns out they're chemicals called fluorinated chemicals.
The same chemicals used in products like Teflon and Scotchgard, now considered a health threat by the EPA.
We know it's linked to several types of cancer.
And before the public was warned about these chemicals, we used a lot of them.
It will fill our hangar up with foam in about 2.5 minutes.
Airports around the world, military and civilian, trained with that toxic foam over and over again.
They just used a lot of the firefighting foam and really didn't think about it and just washed into the water supplies and into the creeks.
Once they're in our system, or once they're in the bay, or once they're in the environment, they last for a really, really long time.
Recent testing has found elevated levels of PFCs in the water treatment facility near San Francisco International Airport. And just up the bay from Moffett Field, contamination was found in the water at Cooley Landing in East Palo Alto. We can even trace those chemicals to the Marine Mammal Center, where state researchers have found harbor seals with some of the highest PFC levels in the world.
So we're really concerned that there's a lot more contamination out there in drinking water than we know about.
The Department of Defense is now testing 85 military sites across California where the foam was used in crash training. And in some of those locations, like McClellan Air Force Base in Sacramento County, PFCs have already been detected in the groundwater.
There's 1.5 million people in California that we know of that are drinking this stuff in their drinking water.
In fact, California's Department of Toxic Substance Control is now tracking these chemicals from the contaminated water right into the blood of people who live nearby.
We have some elevated levels in the drinking water and groundwater. I'm sure that will affect the levels in human body, even in California.
And I think it's going to be a big cleanup. I've heard public health officials say they think this is going to be like lead and like PCBs. It's going to be the next big one.
Well, despite the health hazards associated with these chemicals, the EPA currently does not have the authority to ban them or even make companies disclose where they are manufactured.